Alright, I got this Nerf. Yeah, it looks glossy right here. I put tape because I'll show you what I got. I don't know, but it looks glossy, right? But this is it. CPU. Perfect. And I'm gonna make a video. Now I'm gonna make a war thing, and I'm gonna show you in a couple days. Peace. It's a quick video.